everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Exodus Wallet on your PC. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To download Exodus Wallet on your PC, go visit a web browser first. Once you open your web browser, go to the search box and type in www.exodus.com/download. Press the enter and you will reach to this page. In order to download the application on your PC, click on this link right here. There is an application for your mobile version as well. You can go to the App Store or Google Play Store in order to download it on your mobile. Now, once you click on the link that says download Exodus, you have an expanded option to download it for your Windows, Mac, Linux. Simply select the one that you are looking for. In our tutorial for today, we're going to download it for the Windows version. Click on the Windows app version and you can see the download progress at the upper right corner. Wait until the file downloads. After it does, click on the open file link right below and you'll be able to see that the application is being installed on your device. Your application has successfully installed now. Click on OK and click open the application from the desktop, and that is it. That is how you can easily download Exodus on your PC with just a simple step. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.